At what point should we reduce bids to control ad spend without losing the placements that are generating orders? You should be reducing bids, not as much when it comes down to without losing the placement, but when you are asking that question, the first thing that comes to mind is how quickly are you reducing the bids and what is the gap that you're reducing? Reason for that, if you're going to make a 5-cent reduction or a 5% reduction, it's highly likely that it's still going to keep you on the same placement, rather than if you're going to do a 20%, 50% cut on the bid, that is highly likely that it's going to bring you down to product pages or rest of search, in case that you've been on top of search placement. It's not as much about control. It's about what you can keep, or it's not about losing control, but where can you keep the control? And if you know there are certain placements that are working fine for you, rather I would focus on which are the placements that right now are working best for me and can I replicate the same success? Because right now I feel that the question redirects to how to be more efficient when it's not about efficiency, it's about doubling down on what works. Because think of it this way, if you're doubling down on what works, you are automatically going to become more efficient. So I would ask back to your questions, how to reduce bids to control ads without losing placements that are generating orders. I would ask you, which are the keywords and which are the placements that right now work well for you? Don't touch them. And then see in other campaigns, is there a way for me to, on this specific placement, to generate same results as I did for the previous campaigns? Because keep in mind, right now we are just a very narrow, super specific topic, which is placements, right? At this point, I don't even know that for a specific placement, let's say it's branded keywords, top of search for branded keywords will always outperform, right? When it comes down to product pages, it's going to always perform whenever it is a branded product or whenever it's a cheaper product. So then the way how I would strategize this is rather look at what works right now and how can you mimic that? And everything else that is right now bleeding money, just take away budget from it and focus on optimizing those rather than the ones that are already working for you.